Have you ever wondered how to make money from cryptocurrencies? Today, we're diving into this topic, exploring the exciting opportunities to earn income from the digital currency world. We'll be covering three primary methods: holding, trading, and NFT marketplaces. These strategies are diverse and cater to different investment styles and risk tolerance levels. Whether you're new to the crypto space or looking to expand your revenue streams, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First up, holding, also known as hodling. This term, born in the world of cryptocurrencies, is a simple strategy that's all about patience and long-term growth. In essence, it involves buying cryptocurrencies and holding on to them for a considerable length of time. The rationale behind this approach is the anticipation that the value of these digital assets will increase over the long haul, thereby generating a substantial return on your initial investment. It's a strategy that has been around since the dawn of the cryptocurrency era and has proven successful for many. Take Bitcoin and Ethereum, for instance. These major coins have seen phenomenal growth over the years, turning early adopters into millionaires. Holding might not be as thrilling as day trading or as innovative as the NFT marketplace, but it's a tried and tested method for generating income in the world of cryptocurrencies. This long-term investment strategy has proven successful for many, especially with major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Next, let's talk about trading. This is a dynamic method of earning income from cryptocurrencies. It's an active strategy that involves buying and selling digital assets over shorter periods, aiming to profit from market fluctuations. The world of cryptocurrency trading is fast-paced, pulsating with opportunities to make a profit. Now, trading isn't as simple as buying low and selling high. It requires a keen understanding of market trends, quick decision-making skills, and a good grasp of technical analysis. Traders often use strategies like day trading, swing trading, or scalping to maximize their profits. To navigate the volatile waters of the crypto trading market, you'll need some tools. Charts, trends, and trading tools are your compass and map in this digital treasure hunt. They provide valuable insights into market behavior and can guide your trading decisions. And where do you find these tools? On trading platforms, of course. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Oanda, and Kraken offer a range of tools to help you succeed. To succeed, traders utilize charts, trends, and trading tools available on platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Oanda, and Kraken. Lastly, the NFT Marketplace. Non-fungible tokens, better known as NFTs, are the digital answer to collectibles. These unique tokens represent ownership of digital items, maybe an artwork, a tweet, or even a virtual pet. You can create, buy, or sell these NFTs on various platforms such as OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. Here's the kicker: the NFT market can offer substantial returns. However, the secret ingredient? It's understanding market trends, the uniqueness of the items, and community engagement. Earning income from cryptocurrencies offers various paths, each with its own set of strategies and risks. Remember, holding, trading, or exploring the NFT market requires a thorough understanding of the crypto ecosystem. Thank you for watching our video on how to earn income from cryptocurrencies. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Leave a comment below. Until next time, happy earning.